Hello, welcome along to your national weather update this Monday. Quite mild out there at the moment. We will see temperatures dropping off a little bit as we go through the rest of this week. Here's the bigger picture. We've got low pressure to the north, high pressure to the south. And the isobar's pretty closely packed. Quite windy conditions on Monday morning across northern Britain. Those winds only slowly easing through the afternoon. And we do have this weather front that is bringing some cloud and outbreaks of rain across parts of central Scotland. So fairly dull and damp here. And that rain will just trickle a little further north. Some patchy rain too for parts of northwest England, mostly over the Cumbrian Fells, and it may be a bit drizzly across Snowdonia, but generally dry, and the Welsh mountains actually helping to break the cloud up. So some good spells of sunshine for East Wales, parts of the Midlands, East Anglia, and parts of the southeast too. And where we've got a bit of sunshine, well, getting stronger and stronger at the moment. So temperatures rising 13, 14, 15 degrees. Further north it is colder, and it certainly feels cold with the blustery conditions over the Northern Isles. But even here, temperatures of 9, 10 degrees are above average for the time of year. Now this zone of rain, this weather front, will continue to track back further north through the night. So staying fairly damp across the highlands of Scotland and the Western Isles, but generally further south it will stay dry. If we keep some breaks in the cloud, it may just turn a little misty, 1 or 2 fog patches, and it will certainly stay mild. But the winds will be easing over northeast England and northeastern parts of Scotland. Temperatures, as I said, are on the high side, 8, 9, 10 degrees as a low in some spots. So we start Tuesday pretty mild. It is going to be a fairly cloudy day, but most places will be dry. Some drizzly and damp conditions over the Highlands and over the Northern Isles for a time. And then later in the day, the winds will strengthen in the Western Isles, and we'll see some rain just spreading back in here. But again, apart from a bit of drizzle over the hills and the mountains in the west, most places dry. Probably a cloudier day for East Wales, the Midlands and East Anglia compared to today, and certainly lighter winds compared to today across northeast England and eastern Scotland. It will be another pretty mild one for the time of year, not quite as mild because we won't be as bright or as sunny, but generally still temperatures a few degrees above average at 10 to 12. A bit of sunshine across northeast Scotland. We could again get up to 14 Celsius. Further west, though, we are seeing signs of a change. I said at the start it will get a little colder through this week, and this is one of the reasons why we're going to see rain coming into Northern Ireland and western Scotland on Tuesday evening. But that is a cold front, and as that pushes across the country, it will bring some patchy rain to the south. Then we have another weather system toppling in over this area of high pressure, which is another cold front which dives south on Friday. So if we rewind and take a look at what that means for the temperatures, you can see at the moment we're tucked in here between these weather systems, some mild air sitting across the country, those pretty dark orange colours. This first weather front introduces cooler conditions for Wednesday and into Thursday. Then temperatures rise a little before that next cold front brings colder air back further south again. So nothing exceptional, but signs of things turning colder as we go through this week. A full week ahead forecast will be available on our YouTube channels by Monday afternoon.